friends, running kimono here. It is Wednesday, April the 1st. There is no jokes or pranks in this video other than some cold hard savings, especially on detergent and paper products, which is the meat and potatoes and the backbone for all extreme couponers' stockpiles. Thumbs up for that. Thumbs up for that, yeah. Okay, so this morning in the Walgreens app, lots of boosters showed up. There was no general basket booster that at least I saw. It's all specifically for P&G items, except for the 10 back when you spend 25 on Walgreens vitamins. But go and load them. I had 6 altogether on both mine and my husband's card, so go and load them. They're absolutely fantastic. 15 back when you spend 45 on Olay face cream. Like, that doesn't get your attention. I don't know what will. So let's hop right into it. A 10 back when you spend 40. This was done specifically in store, and I'm going to explain precisely what I did. Of course, I had this friend on my card. This is of a one-time use as well, just to note that. What I did was I got 7 units of these double or triple packs of the Bounty paper towel. Trying to really stock up on this because whenever you can get it for $1.06, I think it's absolutely fantastic. So the promotion with this is that when you buy 2 at $6.99, you're given a $3 register reward. 4 for $5.49, you're given a $5 register reward. And Fetch has spend 25 to earn back 5,000 points as well. Double, triple check that you have that. So grabbing 2 for $6.99 and then 5 for $27.45, that's $41.53. I had to get past that $35 mark to get me to $40 because the way I had it yesterday, I was only at $35. So it's $41.43. There's a dollar digital coupon. If you have any register rewards to throw to this, go for it because that's a huge out of pocket. Paying $40.43 with your debit plus tax, getting back $8 in register rewards. That's a 5 and a 3. Then you're getting back a $10 register reward for spending $35 on P&G products at your store. And then getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for your booster of spend 40, earn back 10. Photograph your receipt for $5 back from Fetch. The final price point is $7.43 for the 7 items or $1.06 each. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. You can use register rewards though if you might have it. But what a heck of a deal for some cheap paper products. Okay, our elusive Garnier shampoo at $4.49, $4 reward when you buy 2. That register reward is in fact printing now. I think on Monday or Sunday and Monday it wasn't printing. It is in fact printing. You're going to load this friend, which is the 3 off of 2. And at the very least, if it's tagged at your store, the manager should comp you the $4 in Walgreens cash for the missed register reward if you did in fact do the deal. Grabbing 2 of these Fructis, it's going to be $8.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $5.98. Getting back a $4 register reward. It makes it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per unit. Ask if the register reward machine is printing. Maybe listen, other customers, do you hear it? Do you see it? And again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but don't be shy to ask, guys, especially, you don't want to be out $4, very easy ask. And if you're doing that first paper deal with all those register rewards, obviously ask for that because you don't want to be left, not getting, like $18 in register rewards. Absolutely not. Another deal that I absolutely love, it is on the Gillette Venus and the Gillette Mach 3 disposable razors. We have a $3 for the ladies and a $3 for the men's. My men's razor is vanished, but this is what the $3 ladies one looks like. It's on a buy one get one 50% off promotion, and when you spend $15, you get back a $5 register reward. Grabbing 1 of each, it's $15.88. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, you're paying $9.88. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $4.88 for the 2 or $2.44 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But to get these razors at this price point, it's completely what it's about, and definitely stock up. Razors are one items we used to get for free all the time, but to get it for this price point, it's not bad. The Arm & Hammer detergent is 3 for $7.49. We have $1.50 off a 3 digital coupon. Also, if you are in store, hang on to your receipt because I think IBOTTA might have a rebate as the week marches on and you never really know. But load this little friend. So 3 of those detergents for $7.49, subtracting the $1.50 off of 3. You're paying $5.99 for the 3 or $1.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And for all the newer couponers out there, the bag of the laundry pods, easier to store than the teeny tiny things of liquid detergent. If you are strapped for space, I know a lot of us are. That's what I would pick up personally. Just a little food for thought there. Another super deal that I absolutely love this week at Walgreens is the 88-cent food storage or sandwich bags. It's usually 93 cents, but it's 5 cents cheaper, so I would definitely stock up. Okay, so now we're at the Dollar General, and I have one new little freebie. I think that Crest toothpaste from last week is still free, but this travel section scope, as you can see in my big fat hand, it is a teeny tiny one. So if you're driving by a Dollar General and you want to try this deal out, why not? We have a $1 digital coupon that is attaching to this friend. You're just going to pay tax. And if you wanted this for traveling or you just wanted it, like, why not? You can get a lot of little travel size items for free over at the DG. Here is the UPC if you want to scan at home. Like, is it attaching? Yes or no? But yeah, just a quick little freebie, 1 per store card, and definitely scan before you buy it in case they detach the coupon, which they do. Walmart. So a lot of detergents and that fun stuff went 75 to 90, if not free. Starting on Monday. So yesterday I went back, I got another bag of Persil's for $3 and the 25 loader for $4. So that's $7. I did get $4 back from Fetch in points and $2.75 back from IBOTTA, making these two at 25 cents for 2. So I'm really delighted with that. And I'm going to show you the rebates real quick. I had to go to any store, not Walmart, because for whatever stupid reason, these were not showing up in my Walmart yesterday with IBOTTA, but this morning they're all there. So I got $1.50 back and $1.25 back. So I'm still happy about that. That's $2.75 for me with IBOTTA. And then over on Fetch, I had a progressive spend, I think it's spend 12 to earn back 4,000 points. And because of the stuff I bought the day previous, I did get my 4,000 points back. So how great is that? And just because I want to show off a little bit, we have a 32 count of the sensitive pods by Arm & Hammer for $2.50. The original price was $8.97. I made a whole video showing different deals and costs and stuff. If you are near a Walmart, they are restocking. Like yesterday, how did I get that Persil? Somebody put it back on the shelf. So it's definitely worth walking to the store, checking it out if you are near a Walmart, because some of these prices are amazing. The last store that we're at is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. The first deal, I saw many influencers talk about it this morning. It is the Sheba deal. So there is various types of this Sheba premium puree. There's a bisque container and the tubes as well. Over on your Fetch Rewards app, you get 1,000 points per dollar spent. It basically makes it free with a limit of up to 3 times. We have the $1.35 containers of food or the $2.99 4-packs of the tube. I know there's a larger one too, but it would be really expensive to do that, like almost like $45 if you wanted to get the larger ones. But the cheapest way would be this, getting 3 packs of the tubes for $8.97 and then photographing your receipt for that amount back from Fetch. If you have a lot of cats and you're training them, this is a great item to have. The wet cat food in the container, 3 of them at $1.25 is $3.75, and you would be getting that back from Fetch, which would make it completely free. I would move on this deal sooner than later because I think it's going to go very quickly. The final deal that we're looking at is a 15 off of 50 on the P&G laundry care, cleaning care, that sort of good stuff. It gives you quite a bit of savings with this 15 off. So we're going to look at one deal, and if you don't like it, just look for other P&G products where this is attaching if you want to sub out, sub in. Open up your shop and scan in store and scan the following. We have this large detergent, $14.99. We have a $5 digital also for that. I actually had to look up this product manually to get the coupon to load. I don't know, for whatever reason, it was a harder one to find. And then we also have the larger Tide Pods. It's only certain scents as well. And there's another $5 coupon attaching to this one too. So, yep, here it is. And then I also threw in one of the Bounty paper towels, and like, why is she going so crazy with paper towels this week? This is my husband's favorite. There's a $2 digital that's attaching as well. So we use this a lot with the many pets we have. So I just think it's a great item to purchase. And then we're going to load that $2 coupon. And please make sure that that 15 off of 50 is showing on all of them, so you are not left without. So the overall total here is 54.74. We have 29.70 in savings, so the total is 24.77 for the 3 items. Not bad. Not free, but not bad, like 50% off, and we are happy with that. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.